Now let's start creating the paddles. So I'm going to start that by creating a box, and I'm going to add a little bit of resolution there, so just 2 by 2 for width, height and depth. And I'm going to scale it down like that, and I'm going to scale it. Let's scale it down a little bit more and make it a little bit thinner. I think it's too much. So now let's right click and choose face. I'm going to select these 4 faces and I'm going to extrude them like that. And now I'm going to select this part and this part. So now we need to extrude that. Extrude like that. Okay, so now let's select these faces. Make sure you don't select anything behind that. So let's hit 4 to check that. Okay, so now let's extrude that like that. Okay, and now let's hit 3 on the keyboard to see the shape, and we need to add some resolution there. So I'm going to insert an edge loop there. So let's see that. Hit 3 on the keyboard. Okay, we have nice shape there. And I'm going to change that a little bit to the back. I think it's great. So now let's duplicate that, or before we duplicate that, let's move that and let's rotate that. Something like that. And I'm going to move that up a little bit. So now let's duplicate that and move it to the back and let's rotate it. Move it down. Let's smooth that.